distance. Hi. Too loud.
Ta-da!
Yes. Mic test. Monster tail. Wait, I need social distancing. Hi. Today we're gonna plant some seeds, and so that our our sound will be better. We're gonna use a Simba. Katie, what's a Simba? The cat. If you guys remember Simba from our last video, he died 3 days ago, and then so we're gonna use him as our microphone now.
No!
Okay, so good boy Simba. So first, we're gonna plant some pechay. So pechay is the most popular vegetable in the Filipino household. This vegetable can be planted all year round and is a very easy grower. It is rich in vitamins. Pechay leaves can be a supplement or soup or stir-fried with any seafood, meat, or served alone with we prepared a tray of salt. We prepared
Salt?
I'll go. Cut that part out. Since our cat died, I cut my hair to cheer myself up. My dad or cameraman was the one who cut my hair. So our soil is we're gonna sprinkle all the seeds, and then we're gonna put some more soil on top. We have to And then after that, we're gonna spray with water, not alcohol. So that's our soil. Like our shovel. Our shovel was made by Kuya Pao Pao. Our egg tray is also from Kuya Pao Pao and Ate Tata. It's like Lola planting the plants. Yeah. We put holes underneath all of these. We bought this soil from Facebook and they delivered it from Kalinan. As you can see, there are multiple trays and containers or bottles. So you can use a metal tray, you can use some egg trays, some old ice cream, some old ice cream containers, or an old bottle. Whenever you plant, you need to have a hole under it so you can drain excess water. This is just the first stage. This is for seedlings, like when they have bigger stems, you can transfer them to like cut up bottles like that. They're reddish. For some reason. Reddish.
Some to Katie Pie.
Yeah.
Yellow ka po yun.
Can I spring?
Do not
Open.
Far away. Please like this.
Open. Pen, Mom. Next step is you have to use your shovel. Cover everything. Make another nice layer of salt. Soil.
Plant won't be able to grow. Plant your seeds here. Oh, make a cup. So plant your seeds here.
Never had a versus.
your hand, crush it into your finger. Okay. Get it with your fingers. Okay.
They're gonna crowd there.
They're gonna crowd their die.
Okay. So just a little bit more some soil.
Enough. Sprinkle a little bit. Up. Okay. Up. That's enough. So stressful.
So I'm I'm done with all of the soil. So, spraying of water time. We're spraying water because it can... Dad! Slow down! Stop spraying me! You might So now we're gonna put on Katie's side.
Layered.
Uy! May plant. Oh, boy.
Spread it with your hand.
I'm gonna put the shovel back. Excuse me, we're gonna do the kangkong later.
Some other day. Okay, I'm gonna plant you. Okay. Kitty, spray! Go! Harder! Okay, kuya, do it now. This off. Okay, it's kind of getting dark, so we gotta hurry up. So you gotta make sure that all of the soil is exposed to sunlight so that it can grow. So we're gonna make sure you gotta water it every day. You gotta water it every day so that it's gonna grow fast. So we're gonna go back in 3 to 5 days. So, Bibi, I hope you're gonna grow like my hair. Okay, go.
5,
Show them.
4. This is what the Pechay seeds look like. So
Where over the rainbow.
look at this girl.
You don't have to
She's
do
trying to steal the show.
Kiss Kuya.
She kissed the viewers. And is a very easy grower. It
Can you
is
blow
in
the
red.
candle?
So that's it. Katie is playing with kangkong seeds.
Okay.